Hi viewers, it's a pleasure being with you. I'm going to do almond pudding. To make this almond pudding, we need a pastry. So first thing I'm going to do the pastry. I have taken 200 grams of flour. Then I need about 30 grams of sugar also. Again 30 grams of butter. A little salt. Without salt, we can't do anything. And half a teaspoon of baking powder. That also we need. Mix it nicely. And then slowly, little by little, add the water and make the pastry. Cold water we are using. Add the cold water and make the pastry. Now I am using my hand, so see how it looks. It should not be sticky, it should be okay like. Now what I am going to do is I have to roll it. Roll it nicely to a round because I have got a tray, that is the tray which I am going to bake it. Okay, now I think this should be enough now. For this tray, I took a little butter and kept, I had to put the butter. Now what I am going to do is, on that, line this tray. Can see how it looks. It should be an oven proof tray. I have taken. Now what we are doing is just give a little bit of a decoration for it. Now what I am going to do is, these are little things that we have to do even when you are doing a pastry for any other preparation even, this is how you have to do. And I am going to keep this in the oven, heated oven. Heat the oven and keep for 2 minutes. Now we are going to keep for 2 minutes in the oven, only for 2 minutes, so that the bottom gets nicely baked. Otherwise it won't get baked. After putting all the other ingredients, it might not bake also. So 2 minutes in the oven. I am going to do a porridge. This porridge is to make 1 pint of fresh milk I have taken and 1 medium sized potato boiled and chopped. We are going to boil this carefully till it comes like a porridge. It's called, this porridge, once I make it, it's going to be like, it's called as mao. We have to keep on boiling till it turns like a ball of paste like. It takes a little time, at least about 12 to 15 minutes. It's turned to a porridge. Can you see now? 1 pint of milk with the potatoes, how it has turned. Now this is called mao or the porridge, we can call it. So let that get cool now. Meanwhile, I am going to do the beating of the rest of the preparation. 3 egg whites. Beat it well. Slowly I increase. It has come very thick. We can see now. Slowly I will reduce the speed, not together. Slowly reduce the speed. Egg whites I have beaten to a stiff thing. This porridge is ready. It's cool and it's ready. Put the butter. How much did I say now? 100 grams of butter. 100 grams sugar. 3 egg yolks. Keep. Keep creaming it till it comes nice and thick and cream. We have to cream it well. I am adding the porridge now into this little by little. The whole mixture. It has to be cool. Don't put it hot. The mixture has to be cool. So make it early and keep the porridge so that it will be easy for us. Finely chopped cashew nuts. While you are beating all that, slowly I will add the stiffly beaten egg whites also. Almond essence. We said almond pudding, no? So it has to be almond essence plus vanilla essence a little. Now this is ready, so we will open it out. Now this pastry just kept for 2 minutes and you can see the center has to get slightly baked. The mixture is ready. You can see what and what I have used. Now what I will do is, so few cashew nuts also for decoration. We will put it here if you want to. And we will bake this for 45 minutes, 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit, 45 minutes I said. But when it's baking, one more thing you have to see, say within 15-20 minutes, you might see sometimes it becoming a little brownish, and then we have to go for 45 minutes. So maybe if it's about 20 minutes, put a oil paper or a foil or something on top and then bake for the rest of the time so that the top won't get overbaked. Okay, so we will bake this and take 180 centigrades, that is so 170 and 200, you can see it has to come to the middle, 180 centigrades, and you have to take for 45 minutes. While I am baking, I told you what you should do is, now see it's going to get baked, and halfway you have to put, don't put it now because oil paper or foil will get stuck to that. So halfway, when it's almost half baked, like, you cover with the oil paper or a foil, and rest of the time you bake it and take. After baking and taking, you have to keep it cool and leave it in the fridge for at least half an hour before you decorate it. Okay, I just want to boil a little milk and keep a little icing sugar ready. Now what I am going to do is, I will take this milk and slowly put into the icing sugar and mix it. And I want to put a little almond essence into this. See my pudding how it looks. This is the almond pudding that I have made with a little cashew nuts and all that. Now I am going to do a little decoration. And I enjoy preparing like this, and a little bit of cashew nuts which I have colored, cashew nuts, right, colored in. It's an almond pudding that I have done for you. I hope you will enjoy preparing this. So you too have to enjoy preparing all these preparations. I will meet you soon with another episode.